Falcon 300 CNC Lathe, chuck size 12 inches hydraulic chuck, maximum swing 25.59 inches, maximum cutting diameter 18.8 inches, maximum turning length 40 inches, x-axis travel 10.4 inches, z-axis travel 40.15 inches, spindle nose spindle bore A2 to 8 inches 3.7 equals inches, maximum bar capacity 3.25 inches, spindle speed 3000 rpm, spindle motor 30 minutes content, 40 HP 30 HP, number of turret positions 12 position turret, rapid traverse rate 600 IPM, cutting feed rate 1 to 200 IPM, machine dimensions 163 inches by 83 inches by 78 inches, machining weight 14,600 pounds, equipped with 12-inch hydraulic chuck, chip conveyor, tool presetter, filter mist system, tailstock with hydraulic quill adjustment, upgraded flat screen, handheld pendant control, Fan X0 program translation, RS-232 port for DNC interface, 3.5-inch floppy disk drive, Ethernet capability, 14-inch color monitor, PC-based control with touchscreen, probe interface, probe cycles 4. Tool presetter, transformer, all available tooling and manuals. Please visit us online at www.affordablemmachinery.com today.